Hi there, have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography one 60-second photo tip at a time. Do you feel like you're not ready to take your photography seriously? I see it all the time. But here's the truth, you're more ready than you think. You don't need a better camera or better lenses. You don't need a style, and you don't need a following. All you need is your camera, a plan, and the courage to press that shutter. The best photographers didn't wait to feel confident, they built confidence by doing the work. So here's a quick challenge for you to prove it. Set yourself a 15-minute timer. Shoot 3 shadows, 3 textures, and 3 colors in motion. And that's it. The point being that limitation builds your creativity. You'll feel proud, empowered, and in motion. Because action beats perfection every single time. If you'd like to go deeper into this, watch the full video next. I'll bust 3 massive myths that hold photographers back, and I'm sure you'd find it useful. It's here on screen and also linked in the description for you below. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.